Welcome back. My name is Dave and this is Fuzzee Tutorials. Today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to fit text to path in Picta Graphic for macOS. Let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, we've got some text here as well as a couple of paths. So I'm going to show you how this works with this wavy line here as well as the circle. So we'll start with our wavy line. So the first thing we do is we select both objects. So we're holding our shift key down while we're clicking on the objects. And then we're going to go to modify and place text on path. And now if we want to move this around on the path a little bit, just grab this little dot here and then we can move it around like so. Now the neat thing about this is we can dynamically change the size of our path. So if we need to lengthen it out a bit, then we can still continue to move it on our path. So any changes you make, it will immediately update everything. And you'll notice that when we started, the path actually had a couple of points of thickness. But once you turn it into a path containing text, then that disappears. Now if you want to separate it from the path, we go back up to our modify menu and we go release text from path. And it puts your path back to the way it was. Okay, so now let's grab our text here and we'll get rid of this squiggly line. And we'll go do the same thing here. We'll modify, place text on path, and then we're looking for this little dot here so we can move our text around. Now if you wanted your text on the bottom side of the path but facing the right way to read it, because if you just move it around the path, then of course it's not really facing the right way. So all we do is we go back up to modify and we go reverse path direction. And now it's reading the right way. Now on a long sentence like this, it probably doesn't make a lot of sense to do it like that, but if you were doing a say a logo or something with just a couple of words, then this would make more sense. So we'll just expand our circle here. So you can see this is a pretty useful tool. So if you want to learn more in-depth skills with Picta Graphic for macOS, make sure to check out my masterclass series. You can get the first one for free off my YouTube channel, and the rest is available on my Udemy site, which will be coming soon. Just check in the description below, and once it becomes available on Udemy, I'll update the links in the description. So thanks for hanging out with me today. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.